Well, welcome back to Tenterfield Firearms, and I've got special guest Shambler Bowler, who is Tenterfield Firearms, but is technically today Cyan Tech. I'm saying that right, aren't I? Cyan Tech. So, Shambler is the importer into Australia of Ulefone. These are direct out of China. This is fresh off the boat, so first time opening it. It's a pad. Now, for my customers, Sham, they're going to want things that they can run their thermals to, obviously. Mm-hmm. So if you've got a thermal, whack it on a spotlight mount, want to run it to a pad. Why would I buy a pad like this when I can get the awesome iPad, which has been around forever and a day?
Yes, well, first of all, the Ulefone is first of all cheaper than an iPad would be, especially new. It is also a lot more durable. Coming with IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistance.
So straight away I'm seeing on the back here, this has got more bits and pieces here. What have we got here? It says got a super torch, a rear camera and a flashlight. What's a super torch?
Super torch is just a bit brighter of a torch that's built in.
Can I pull this out?
Yes, you can.
Very excited. Ooh. So super torch, brighter than the normal torch.
Brighter than the normal torch that you would find on a standard tablet.
So, has this got iPhone headphone jacks?
Yes, it does.
Like old school headphones?
All Ulefone models have headphone jacks.
Right, but can I use my Bluetooth, like
yes, you can.
Beats and so forth with it?
Yes.
Beats by Dre?
You can have multiple Bluetooth devices connected to it.
Right, so
normal headphones.
Again, comparing the pair, this is what, a 10-inch iPad?
Yeah, roughly.
Right, and this is a
10-inch screen.
10.1?
10.1 inch screen.
Ooh. And what else have we got?
You also, on the, you can either get 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage on the RugKing Pad 2 Pro. The standard is 256 that I import.
Right, and so it basically comes in a case.
Yes.
And it's got these two little dangly, clippy D-shackle sort of things.
In the box is a arm strap that can attach to those lanyards.
So that's cool.
That comes included.
Now, some of the iPads you can actually use as a mobile phone. You can put like a SIM in it. Can you do that with these?
You can put a SIM card in it. You can have two SIM cards in it as well as an eSIM. And you can use that for data when you're on the go and various...
And you can make calls with it and that sort of thing as well?
I'm not too sure on this one.
Okay. Alright, well cool. And how long would the battery last compared to an iPad battery, which, you get, 4 or 6 hours maybe?
That has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. You're definitely...
10,200 milliamps. Can't forget those extra 200 milliamps.
So you're getting roughly... You're definitely getting a day. You'll definitely get about 3 days out of it of general usage, possibly more, depending on what you're doing.
Alright, and what's this gadget here?
So is that a
charger or something?
That is the USmart 2.0 connector. You can use that connector to plug in Ulefone endoscopes and microscopes.
That's cool.
So endoscopes, you have camera on the end of the cord. You can use them for putting down pipes.
Pipes.
You use them for...
I use them for gun barrels and stuff. So yeah, but that or into ductwork, into
yes.
body panels on utes and
yes.
things like that. That's cool.
And
so, all right. So tell me about these cameras. So one's an 8 megapixel front camera, 8 megapixel.
8 megapixel front camera,
and then a 48 megapixel rear camera. So that's pretty good,
yes.
isn't it?
So 48 megapixels is the exact same as iPhone 14 Pro.
Wow.
So same megapixels. You can boot it up. It should have a little bit of power.
Okay. All right. Well.
So buttons are both on the side. which is pretty good.
Okay, so
when
that's my
they're-
power button.
Yes, pretty good
Alright,
when you're mounted
clicking
in
her
a
up.
car. You'll probably have to take the front screen off.
I'll never take the front screen off. I'm going to leave it on.
Right, well,
I don't think it's got battery.
it
Oh,
Front-
I tell
the
lies.
front screen does cover up the text, but
Okay. Oh, so this is Android.
yes, Android 16.
Right.
Latest Android.
That's cool. That's cool.
So you can use any app on any Android phone. You can even import your data on an iPhone on the modern Androids.
That's tidy. So, iPad like this, we're looking at what? $1,200-$1,300.
The starting price for an iPad is $800.
Right. Okay. So this is what? $750, $650?
That would be $380
You're kidding.
for the 256 gigabytes of storage. Comes in yellow, black, or grey.
That blows my mind. $380 for all that. That is just outrageous. It's got 95% batteries. Just fresh out of the box. That is so cool. I'm assuming we want English. Do we want English?
Yes.
United States?
Yes.
United States,
Switch
is
to
it?
Australia or UK, but
No,
United States
I'm gonna do English United States. Hey there! That is cool.
so
That is really cool. I even like the color. The color is very, very
yeah,
tidy.
if you drop it in a field or construction site, definitely
Now,
going to spot it.
for guys that want to run their thermals to it, they'll have capacity to put this on a mount.
Yes.
They fit different mounts, or
Yes, Ulefone do have a mount. I'll be bringing them in soon for these tablets.
like a suction mount.
Suction mount.
That's cool.
Otherwise, of course, the arm strap, hand strap. These can easily go on your wrist.
You could even dangle that from your rear vision mirror, probably.
You could, yes.
That's
And
cool. Like that is
since this-
such a nice thing.
Since this tablet has reverse charging, you can even charge your thermal off it using
Right.
the same cable.
Connect to mobile network.
Skip that for the moment.
I'm going to skip everything. That is cool. That is a really nifty thing. So what else do you get in the box? You get the arm strap, you get the instructions, and you get a charging cable.
Got your charging cable, yes.
What else would you want? So
Exactly.
that'll
Still-
fit most electronic chargers. I'm going to put
Yes.
this back on.
It's
I like that. Where's that go?
USB-C. So that's your standard charger in 2026. So all the modern Samsungs,
Swing
iPhones.
I missed it completely.
yeah,
That's why I'm not a window tint installer or anything like that. They're really cool. So $380.
$380.
Man, I'm
or
sold.
256 gigs of storage.
I am sold on that, and it'll take two SD cards.
2 SIM cards
SIM
and
cards.
an SD card. So if you ever run out of storage on your 256, you can put in 2 terabyte SD card. And get plenty more.
How could you go wrong?